My worst trading day wasn't a freak accident or a market crash. It cost me thousands of dollars in a single morning. And it happened because I was doing exactly what everyone thinks you're supposed to do.
My screen was a chaotic mess of indicators. RSI, MACD, 3 different moving averages. It looked like a piece of abstract art, and it was completely useless. That day almost blew up my account. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact chart that caused the damage. But more importantly, I revealed the simple strategy I now use on pocket options. The real key to consistent profits. It's the opposite of what you've been taught. I woke up that morning feeling invincible. I was in my second year of trading. I thought I had seen it all. I fired up my station and my screen lit up like a Christmas tree. I had the RSI at the bottom, the MACD above it, and on my main chart, Bollinger Bands, a 20 EMA, and a 50 SMA. I was trying to process 5 different signals for every single 1-minute candle. I honestly believed I had built the ultimate market-beating dashboard. Then the market started moving, and a decent setup appeared. The price hit the lower Bollinger Band, which usually signals a bounce. An easy call option, right? But wait, my RSI was diving, but not quite oversold yet. Meanwhile, the MACD was whispering about a bearish divergence. The Bollinger Band screamed buy, but the MACD quietly suggested sell. And what did I do? I froze, utterly paralyzed by my own tools. The perfect entry came and went. The price bounced exactly as predicted. I was left in the dust, and frustration began to set in. A little later, the price shot up to the upper Bollinger Band. RSI was screaming overbought, a textbook sign to place a put option. But the MACD histogram was still showing bullish momentum. Have you ever felt that? Trapped between 2 indicators telling you opposite things? I hesitated again, stuck in a tug of war between my own tools.
Experts call this the paradox of choice. Too many options makes it harder to choose. I was living proof of it, and it was costing me money with every tick. That frustration quickly boiled over into pure anger. The next signal was mediocre at best, but I jumped in anyway.
1 indicator said go. 3 others said wait. I ignored them and lost. Then I did it again, chasing the loss. They called this revenge trading. I wasn't analyzing anymore. I was gambling. In just 1 hour, my screen full of analytical tools had led me to total emotional chaos. The result was a brutal 4-figure loss. A humbling lesson. More analysis doesn't mean more profit. It often means the opposite. That disastrous morning was a result of a huge misunderstanding. A lie that plagues most struggling traders. The lie is that information is power. In trading, it's a disease. It's called analysis paralysis. Your RSI says overbought. The MACD signals bullish momentum. A bearish candle says price is about to fall. What do? The human brain can't process 3 contradictory signals in seconds. It either freezes, causing you to miss good trades, or it panics and makes an emotional guess, which almost always means losing. This is a documented psychological phenomenon. Studies show when people are given too many options, they are less likely to decide and less satisfied when they do. That's you, staring at 5 indicators, feeling that knot in your stomach grow tighter. Did you know that up to 90% of retail traders lose money? It's not because they're not smart, it's because they're caught in this trap. The pros know this. The most experienced traders have the cleanest charts. Their edge doesn't come from knowing 10 analytical methods. It comes from mastering 1 or 2 setups and having rock-solid discipline to wait for them. The market fears the trader who has practiced one strategy 10,000 times. Are you trying to be a jack of all trades? Or are you willing to become a master of one? So now that you see the problem,
before I show you the framework I use, I want to give you a first step. I've made a free 1-page guide called the 1 Strategy Binary Blueprint. It's the perfect way to clear the clutter from your charts and your mind. I've opened my private Telegram channel for you to get it. The link is right in the description below.
After my account took that massive hit, I did something radical. I deleted every single indicator from my chart. The RSI, the MACD, the Bollinger Bands, all of it gone. I was left with, it was both terrifying and incredibly liberating. From that blank slate, I would only add back 1 thing at a time, and only if it proved it helped. I started with the most powerful concept in trading, support and resistance. No complex formulas, no lagging indicators, just simple horizontal lines where price had bounced before. My new strategy was brutally simple, with just 2 rules. Rule number 1, Identify a clear, obvious level of support or resistance. Not a minor level you have to squint to see, a major ceiling or floor that price has respected multiple times. Rule number 2, wait for the price to come to my level and show a reaction. I don't predict if the level will hold or break, I wait for confirmation. If a bearish candle forms at resistance, put. If a bullish candle forms as support, call. Let me show you on pocket option. I draw my line at 1.08500. It's a level that's acted as a ceiling 3 times in the last hour. Now comes the hardest part, the part where most traders fail. I wait. I don't trade the noise in the middle. I don't get tempted by small moves. Your brain screams at you to do something, to not miss out. But you must wait. Finally, the price creeps up to my level. It touches the line. The old me will be freaking out. Is this a breakout? What's RSI doing? What's MACD saying? The new me just waits for the 1-minute candle to close. And it closes with a long upper wick and a small red body, a classic pin bar. That is my signal. The market is telling me sellers are in control. I enter a put option for the next candle. It's calm, it's decisive. This approach takes the patience of a sniper. You might only get 2 or 3 A+ setups a day, but the goal isn't to trade a lot, it's to win a lot. By focusing only on the highest quality setups, you flip the math in your favor. My win rate changed dramatically. From a dismal 45 to 50% coin flip, my win rate on A+ setups climbed to over 65%, sometimes even 70%. A 65% win rate is the gateway to real, consistent profitability. Trading became less stressful, from a frantic scramble to a calm, focused wait. The clutter on my screen was just a reflection of the clutter in my head. By clearing my charts, I cleared my mind. I stopped predicting the future and started reacting to the present. The trade is either working at your level or it's not. There is no gray area. This is the secret, not a magic indicator. A return to the basics. Trade less, but trade better. Take a hard look at your screen right now. Is it a clean canvas or a chaotic mess? Analysis paralysis is real and it is killing your trading account. The path to profit isn't through more complexity. It's through radical simplification. Your job is not to be a perfect analyst. Your job is to be a profitable risk manager. Choose one strategy, master it.
If this video hit home for you, hit that like button and subscribe. Comment the word paralysis below if you've ever felt stuck staring at your charts. I'll send you an extra template for spotting these clean levels. Trade smart.